make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a video. It is January 14th. Today I actually stayed home from school because I got home really late last night. And right now I'm just sitting here with my doggo and watching a Cinderella story. And yeah, I'm having a great time. So like I did a couple days ago, I'm gonna make this a 2-day vlog just because today was really relaxing and the vlog wouldn't be very long. So yeah, that's the end for day 1.
Hey guys, it's Lainey again, your favorite. And JD's eating lunch, and so am I. It always does. It like tastes like sweet water. But here's Mila. Today we did PE and I sweated a lot, so I look gross.
I always look gross.
Same. Look at JD looking like a cutie.
You're like it down here.
Oh. Awkward. Anyway, so let's do the outfit. Do you already do the outfit of the day?
I didn't do an outfit.
Okay, I'm gonna give you an outfit of my day. Oh, like this. So I have Vans on, socks from Target, jeans from Target, a shirt from PacSun, and then had a Gucci. And then Target. Call me a Target enthusiast.
Target sponsor me. Okay, it's really cold outside, and this video is not sponsored. All right, you can watch me eat my lunch now. Yeah? Want to be in it?
Yeah.
Hi, guys. Wait, is it Happy birthday, Jolena. It's okay. Okay, Gabby, go.
So this teacher had the audacity to yell at me. I wanted to punch her in her face.
Wait, did she take your speaker?
No, I didn't let her take it. I was mad. I was like, you're not taking my speaker, buddy. I turned it off because she told me to turn it off, and then she tried to take it away from me. I was like, no. You told me to turn it off.
I need a thumbnail.
Oh, put me in.
Okay, I'm gonna be a thumbnail. I got you.
Oh, I don't know if I took it, but okay. Whatever. This is Polly.
Follow me on Instagram at ARXMuser.
I'll put it in. I'll put it right
Add me
there.
on
It'll be right
Snapchat
there.
At Polly Lovebug, and the bug is the 2 G's.
I'll put them right here. Say hi to my vlog.
Are you gonna post this on your YouTube?
Yeah, how's your day?
Doing good. How's your day?
Pretty good.
Kinda
It's kind of cold, you know,
That's how you eat an orange.
a little bit.
Today sucks. School, a lot of don't come.
Don't cuss. Cussing is not good. Just bleep it out. Hey, say hi. No. Butthole. Wow! Oh my god! My hair got so much worse. Guys, it's Lainey.
How did it get so big? Whoa! My hair grew.
Look, it's the kid at office table. Whoa! What are you doing? Don't touch my
Are you try hard?
Shut up! What? What are you doing?
Oh no.
Eduardo.
Oh, hi, JD.
Eduardo.
Did you leave
Hey, you want these back?
I stole these from Miss Light.
For the vlog.
I'm about to get in trouble.
Not Parker. That's not a nice word. I stole a dare pod. What are you listening to?
What the frick?
I can't hear anything.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at a real girl right now.
My vlog. This is Jaden.
Look
I
at
don't
the
like him.
magnets.
Just kidding. Bye, Jaden. Have a hug.
You want to be in the vlog?
Tomorrow, you want to be in the vlog? Lame.
Crying.
Lame.
You're the one.
Lame. You have to walk home? You have to walk home. That sucks.
I'm in it too.
Get Catherine in there.
No, she doesn't want to be in it.
Yeah, she does. She does.
Catherine. I told you. Lucas.
Put me in. Hi guys.
Ah!
What kind of phone is this?
Okay, I'm gonna go home now. Hard to know which one of us is
magnet.
caving.
Okay, I have it down, okay?
You have it down? Okay, go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't already know, wait, no, I have to restart.
No, you missed
Hey
it.
guys, it's JD. If you didn't already know, hit the subscribe button. Hit
No,
No.
it's...
the red subscribe
What's up?
button.
No,
and
guys,
hit
this is
the bell.
what it is. What's up, guys? It's your girl, JD. If you didn't already know, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a video.
I'm almost there. I'm so close.
Puddle, puddle, puddle. Not trying to do that. I'm wearing white shoes. Okay, go. Go, Lainey. What? You're not the boss of me. Thank you. Emilio, I'm gonna beat you up. Emilio, you wanna be in it? What?
Mommy Puerto Rican. You put that in there.
Emilio said that in the middle of class and I started laughing and the teacher looked at me. Whoopsies. I am ready to go home. It is the perfect date. Where'd Lainey go? Lainey!
Are you in the vlog right now?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
This is day. What day is it?
14, 15.
It's day 15.
Day 15.
Everything's dripping and it's wet.
My phone is getting wet. Sorry, my phone's all wet. My phone is wet. Ah. Logan. All right. So today was pretty good. Not bad. But it was really cold. And I'm really cold and I look like I just came
I cut trees for a living.
from bed. I kind of did because I woke up late. But you know what? Besides the point, irrelevant. It's really cold. Can I see my breath? I can't see my breath.
Oh.
I feel like it's too wet. Like you can't see it because it's too wet. My phone's getting wet, and I don't really approve. Bye, Lainey.
Okay, so now I have to get ready for cheer. I've been home for a couple hours, and I'm just gonna end this vlog here. Comment down below if you like the 2-day vlogs, and maybe I'll just do those instead of the 1-day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow in my next daily vlog.
Once again.